Второй класс, английский язык, звездный английский. Я умею петь. Домашнее задание. Страница 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. English, Starlight 2. I can sing. Homework. Page number 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our walk. Open your books, please. Page number 94. 94. I can sing. Exercise number 1. Слушай диалог и смотри на картинки. Я умею петь. Repeat after me. Look, Woody. What is it? It's a recorder. Listen. I can play the recorder. You're good. I can play the drum. You're good. I can play the guitar. You're good. What can I do? I know you can sing. Oh yes, I can sing. You're good. All together now. 1, 2, 3. We are in the fairy band. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 96. 96. Exercise number 1. Представь себе, что ты за городом. Прослушай запись и обведи на картинке предметы и животных, которые издают эти звуки. Составь предложение, как показано в образце. I can hear that. The answer. A, D, C, E, F. Water, a bird, a bee, a horse, a sheep. B, the answer. I can hear the water. I can hear the bird. I can hear the bee. I can hear the horse. I can hear the sheep. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 97. 97. We must do exercise number 2. Прочитай вопросы и закончи ответы на них. You are on a farm. What can you see? What can you hear? I can see. I can hear. You are by the sea. What can you see? What can you hear? I can see. I can hear. You are in a beautiful garden. What can you see? What can you hear? I can see. I can hear. The answer. You are on a farm. What can you see? What can you hear? I can see a horse. I can hear a sheep. You are by the sea. What can you see? What can you hear? I can see fish. I can hear water. You are in a beautiful garden. What can you see? What can you hear? I can see a flower. I can hear a bird. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 98. 98. I can sing. Exercise number 1. В парах разыграйте диалог, как показано в образце. Can you swim? Yes, I can. The answer. Can you draw? Yes, I can. Can you sing? Yes, I can. Can you play football? Yes, I can. Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Раскрась картинки и скажи, какого цвета музыкальные инструменты, используя образец. It's a blue. The answer. It's a blue recorder. It's a yellow piano. It's a red triangle. It's an orange guitar. It's a green drum. It's a pink tambourine. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 99. 99. Exercise number 3. Что умеет делать Билл? Прочитай текст и отметь галочкой правильные картинки. All the things I can do by Bill. Hello, I'm Bill. I'm 7. I can do a lot of things. I can sing and I can ride a bike. I can play football and I can draw. And I can play the drum really well. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Нарисуй, что ты умеешь делать. Покажи рисунок своим одноклассникам. I can draw, look. The answer. I can dance, look. I can play the guitar, look. I can ride a bike, look. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy